Hey everyone, and welcome back to another art video. Today I'm going to be taking an old drawing of a sugar skull that I did back in 2019 for Inktober, and I'm going to turn it into a sticker using the Procreate app on my iPad, and I'm going to order them online through Sticker Mule. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's make a new canvas here in Procreate, and I'm going to make this 3 inches by 3 inches because that's the size I want my sticker. Very important to have 300 for your resolution. So I already took a picture of my drawing, and I'm just going to import that right in here into Procreate and just lower the opacity on the picture. Now with a new layer on top and using black, I'm going to start off by inking, quote unquote, inking the black lines of the drawing. I mentioned this in one of my other videos, but I am really drawn to drawing sugar skulls. I think my attraction started back in college. I was doing face and body painting as a side job, and it was a very popular request to paint sugar skulls during Halloween. So then I wanted to do a little more research on the backstory of the sugar skull. And I am Central American, but this is, I think, something that's a little bit more of a Mexican holiday. I'm from Nicaragua. And I've seen it around, but I never really quite knew the history of it. So I'm reading this off from the website, and it says here, Dia de los Muertos, which is Day of the Dead. It's a Mexican holiday that takes place day after Halloween, so November 1st and 2nd. And it's like a joyful celebration of family and friends who have passed away. Each sugar skull is used as a symbol for a person that has passed away. And so I think it's really beautiful, to keep the memory of those you love alive. So underneath that initial layer that had the black lines, I'm adding this off-white layer for the skin. And then on top of that, I'm going to add another layer where I'm just going to go in with all the color. Okay, cool. Now, on top of all these layers, I'm going to add another layer. And here I'm just going to go in with like this light purplish color heading towards blue purplish. And I'm going to make that a multiply layer and just go in adding the shadow areas, mainly around the face, but also on the flowers, on the body. And then later I'll go in and just lower this opacity a little bit because right now I have it at the full intensity, but that's just so I can see where I'm laying down the shadow colors. Okay, so one more layer on top of that, and this time I'm going to make it an overlay layer, and I'm going to use kind of like this warm pink color. This is so I can add some highlights in, also on the face, mainly the eyes, a little bit on the lips, some on the flowers, on the roses, and yeah, just give it that nice little pop of highlight color. I'm gonna probably tweak this a little bit with the hue saturation slider here because I didn't like the way the highlight is looking on these leaves. I think I want it to be a little bit more yellow. Right now it's looking a little more white. So I'll just mess around with some of these sliders and adjust that for the leaves. And finally, one of my favorite parts, I'm just gonna go in with white and add the final little white highlights and these little strands of hair using white and also black to finalize it. Cool, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and group all these layers together. This is my main drawing layer, and underneath that I'm gonna add the cut line for the stickers. So I like to draw this myself. They can also do it for you at the place that you order them from, but I just like to do it myself, so you know I get it exactly the shape that I want. So now I'm on the Sticker Mule website. I like to use them because they have these deals, but I'm not going to focus on that right now. I'm just going to order some samples. So I'm going to go to stickers and I'm going to do a die cut sticker. And when, you know, I'm also going to do a hollow sticker, but I'm going to start off first with the die cut. So when you click on that, you can go ahead and see this little option here where it says order samples. So if you're not ready to commit yet and you just want to order a few to see how they look, which is what I'm going to be doing now, you go ahead and click there, and then you just upload your file, which I exported from Procreate as a PNG, and that's it. That's as easy as that. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same process to order the hollow stickers. So you click on stickers, look for hollow, open that up, order samples, same size, import the exact same file, and that's it. You get, I think, 10 stickers for $9, and they actually send you a couple more, so that's pretty cool. And here are the final stickers. So we have the hollow sticker right here. Very nice. I'm really happy with how these look. And we also have the regular stickers here. And so the process is pretty cool on Sticker Mule. It's the only one I've used so far. I know there's other ones like Sticker App, but they came pretty fast, so I'm really happy with that. And these were just, like I said, a sample because I just wanted to see how the hollow would look. So I had actually done a hollow from another drawing I did here of this mermaid. And I noticed that when I did the hollow, the colors looked really dark. And I found out later that when you have light colors, they blend more with the hollow paper. So it doesn't make your drawing stand out as much. So if you notice here, the mermaid in hollow versus the sugar skull in hollow, you can really see the details of the sugar skull because you have black. So when you have dark colors, those don't blend with the hollow material as well. So you'll still retain some of your drawing. So that's something to know if you're planning on ordering stickers. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and this process of me making stickers. I had a really good time doing this, and I'm really happy with the final result. If you want to see more videos, I have some more art videos here. Thank you, and see you next time.